Hi guys, welcome back to another game video. Yeah, today we're going to be playing the Untitled Goose Game. I just read it off a script. I mean, what? Uh, my just cameraman laughing because he's idiot. Uh, yeah. There's an update where there's a nuclear stage. There's another level added to the end. It seems pretty cool from the pictures they sent. Speaking of nuclear, they added a nuclear. They just finished building. They dropped down the cranes and everything. They're like 40. They finished building a nuclear power station, which is very close to my house actually. Pretty terrifying, but also pretty cool at the same time. They added an alarm in my house just in case for safety reasons. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Just a random update. Now let's get on with the game. Oh, what is that? Can I take the camera with me? It's too heavy. It's too heavy. The alarm. The alarm's gonna